So we have seen how to work with the workflow feeder. Now we are going to work with the email templates. Now, basically, getting a lot of background noise.
Okay.
Can you please lower your sound? No? The sound కొంచెం తగ్గించు.
Are you asking
Now,
me?
yes.
I'm on mute.
Okay, no problem. Now, basically, email templates are the branded ways using which we will convey the information to the customer. Email templates are branded ways or communication medium using which we will convey the information to the customers or users or owners. Okay, now basically we have 4 different types of email templates. Text only email template, HTML, letterhead, HTML without letterhead, or we can see that custom email template. Now finally we have a Salesforce email template. We have Salesforce template. These are the 4 different types of templates we have in Salesforce. Now if I use a text only email template, I can send only text information. I mean, within template I can place only text information. So you cannot apply any kind of styles, images, links, or any data tables. So we cannot. But if I say that HTML with letter and without letter, by using these templates we can apply the styles, colors, images, links. The only difference between the letterhead and without letterhead is in body we have some logo along with the tagline. But if I say that without letterhead, we don't have such kind of logos inside your body. That is the only difference between with letterhead and without letterhead. Now, by using Salesforce template, we can send the email as well. Like, if you want to fetch the multiple objects information and multiple tables, then we will make use of the Salesforce email template. Then, what is the navigation for getting into email template setup? So administer communication templates, then click on email templates. Click on new email template. Select the text template. Then in which folder you want to store. Already yesterday we have seen how we will create the template folder. Then in which folder you are trying to store, just select that folder. So I want to store in one folder, and I'll select you want to make sure you have to select available for use, otherwise we cannot select this for template when we are or while at the time of creating the workflow. Now for example, let's say welcome email, welcome email to doctor. Welcome email to doctor. Then subject, what we will give the subject, welcome to Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital Management. So what I will specify the subject. I Karthik. Welcome to Apollo Hospital. We are looking for those services. Best regards. Best regards. Apollo Management Team. Apollo Management Team. So if I send this template to the Gurunath, instead of saying that hi Gurunath, if I send the template to Gurunath, instead of saying hi Gurunath, if you say the hi Karthik, that is a completely wrong. It will give the wrong meaning. So if that is the case, we will use the merge field concepts. In that case, we'll use the merge field concept. So which field information you want to fetch, select that field and select the field name. So select the doctor name and I'll say that specify that merge field or else we field binding. Generally we'll call it as a merge fields. Using that merge field, we will fetch the information dynamically. Information can be fetched dynamically. Okay. Now click on save. Getting bro what I'm trying to.
Yes. Yes, good.
Now I want to create one more template like HTML with the letterhead. The basic point, fundamental point to be remember here is when you are trying to work with the HTML with the letterhead in templates. First of all, we have to create the letterhead. Otherwise, you cannot create this kind of template. So, what is the navigation for creating the letterhead? So, same. I set up administer communication template. Then we will select the letterheads. Now, right now we don't have any letterheads here, so I'm going to create a new letterhead. Make sure available for use is selected. Apollo letterhead. Then click on save. Okay. Select the logo. And you can apply the colors here. Okay. You can apply the colors or you can remove the logo. You can change the colors or else you can set the background color of your headers. Then you can apply here some styles to your body as well, like how the body color would be. You can apply that thing as well and select the footer line and you can set some styles to your footer. Now this way we will apply or we will prepare the letterhead. Just see how the preview would be. This way your letterhead, this is how letterhead top section and bottom section we have. In between these two places we will place the information. Okay, now click on save. Now click on save. Now refresh here. Email templates. Click on new template. Then select HTML using a letterhead. So we have created one letterhead. Now select available for use. Which letterhead you are going to select. Whatever we have created so far. I mean, just now that letterhead has been selected here. And how your layout would be. See, we have to select any one of these. How your letter should be. Select anything. I'll select the formal one, free formal. Then template name, for example, let's say appreciation email to doctor. Okay, appreciation email to doctor. If you have any description, just specify the description. You can select the email encoding format as well. Suppose if you are working with the UK people or French people, you can select that particular language and encoding formats based upon the language that what you are working. And then here we'll specify the subject. Congrats. Then here we will specify the content. Here we will specify the content. No hi. What we will specify again, say image field concept. Did you observe? As I mentioned, we can apply the images, styles, links, bullets, alignment, some kind of. But
Yes.
if you if we were, I mean, if you observed it, this thing, normal text only, we don't have these many options. So hi, then select the fields, copy it, congrats. Congrats, you have done a great job. Please continue. Okay. Then if you want to specify any best record like Apollo, management team. Okay. Now just click on next. See, this is a very important step, fourth step. Do you want to maintain the text version of this HTML with a letterhead template or a custom email templates? Even if you are trying to create the custom email template, you will get this option. Okay, so copy text from HTML version. I hope you observe when you're trying to open any email, you will get some option like taking time to load in HTML. You want to load it in a basic HTML. You will get the option like you will get one link, load it in basic HTML. That means images links will not be available. We'll find the only text information if you have the low bandwidth of internet. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's optional. Copy text from HTML. Now click on save. Okay, Apollo management string. This is how we will create the template. See, 100% quite similar look like to creating the HTML without letterhead as well. The only thing is here we don't have a letterhead. Apart from this, when we are talking about the Visual Force email template, that we will be discussed while at the time of Visual Force. Okay, now let me create one workflow action to working with this. What is the navigation for creating the workflow? Setup, build, create, workflows and approvals. Click on workflow rules. Now click on new rule. On which object we were trying to create the workflow rule, please select that object. Click on next. Then welcome email to doctor. When this should happen, when the record gets created, immediately want to send an email to doctor. So if you want to send email to doctor, make sure you must and should have the valid email. So email not equals to null, something you have in your email ID. Then click on save on next. Okay. Now once we selected the event and condition, make sure you have to write the action. Make sure you have to add the action. So email alert, new email alert. Then what is this email alert description?
Welcome.
Email to doctor. Welcome doctor. Okay, unique name. Make sure we have to follow some rules and regulation. Now select the email template. Which one you want? You can select that welcome email. This is a very important step. To whom you want to send the email? You wanna send the user or account owners, case teams or public groups or different people. Which one I have to select here or which one I have to choose here? Select, tell me that.
This is a recipient at email. Should be user. User is the guy who gave information.
Okay.
Recipient is not the owner, email field creator, no case team. Maybe we put all these doctors in a group. No, it says
No.
not for the group.
It should be email field. It should be email field. Select that email field and add to recipients.
Oh, recipient type.
To whom you are going to select.
Okay, by which way? On basic on which field we are sending.
Yes. See, these are the custom objects, no?
Okay. So all the time we have to select the email field only. If it is email alert. If it is email alert, then all the time we have to select email field only.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. Now save. Now done. Activate. Okay. Now for example, let me open my Gmail ID. Now let me create the record. So doctor, Now specify the email ID Gurunath dot jinka at gmail.com. Now click on save. Click on save. See, got it?
Yes.
This way we will trigger the email templates. Now, say for example, I want to see how edit. Select the different template like
Letterhead. HT.
hmm, done. It's already activated. Create clone. See what will happen. See, display images below. Sometimes if net speed is slow, you will get the option load it in a basic HTML. Did you observe that? Did you observe
No,
ever?
actually no.
Yes, basically we'll get the option if we have a low bandwidth speed, internet speed.
Okay.
This way we will work with the email templates with workflow action. Now, next thing. Hmm, Outbound message. What is the outbound message? In which scenario will make use of the outbound message? Tell me what is outbound message? Any idea?
Outbound means if something could not deliver.
See, whenever an event occurs, if I want to send, let's say a record is creating, you're creating one record whenever an event occurs. When the record gets created, automatically I want to send that created information to the another system, from Salesforce system to the another system, like for example Java system or .NET system or else SAP environment. That is where we will make use of the outbound message. By using outbound message, we will transfer the information from one environment to the another environment. The thing is, if you want to perform that outbound message operation, first we should have the endpoint URL. I mean destination endpoint URL. Otherwise, we cannot perform that action. Okay.
Okay.
Now setup, build, create workflows. Right now we don't have any endpoint URL, but we will see or we will trigger that. On which object? Again, we will select the object. Let's say when the record gets created, send info to external system. Send information to external system. When this has to happen, select any one event, doctor name not equal to null, then save and next. Then here we will select one action like send outbound message. See, we will give the name, unique name, description, endpoint URL. Here we will specify the endpoint URL. I mean to which environment or to which organization you want to send the information or you want to transfer the information. The endpoint URL will be specified here. That endpoint URL will be specified here. Then you want to send the some session ID information from which user you want to send this information. You can select that user information as well, or else for how long you want to maintain this session, that information by enabling that default session information we have, or 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Within this span of time the email should be triggered, I mean information should be transferred into the external system. Or else what kind of fields information you want to transfer, which field information you want to transfer to the external system, Java system or .NET system. Select that fields information here. Select those fields information here. Now, for example, let's say I want to transfer the name, last name, then so you can select anything. Likewise, you can select all fields information, or you want to transfer from this to that. This way we will work with the email templates with outbound message. Email templates with outbound message.
So they're gonna receive an email, right? Endpoint. Other
No, 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 no.
no, it's not
No,
related
they
like
will not receive any email.
email. No.
See, when we create the record, automatically same information will be carried to the external system. In external system database, one record will be created, but that will be mapped by the external system guys. So when
Okay.
we triggered any event here, I mean when we create any record, that would be transferred to the external systems. Inside that external system, they will do the mapping before
Mapping.
this process is starting.
Okay.
Okay.
So they do the I mean mapping between Salesforce database to external system database. Hello.